I am studying in third class. My school name is C. Vasav English Medium School in Tadimeri. Today maths project was types of fractures. Equal fracture, different numerator and denominator, but the result is same. Proper fracture, the numerator is smallest than the denominator. Improper fracture, the numerator is biggest than the denominator. Like fracture have the same denominators, and like fracture have the different denominators. Unit fracture is which the numerator is 1 is called a unit fracture. Mixed fracture which has a whole number and a proper fracture is called a mixed fracture. Thank you.